Hi, this is Mike from ReadyLIFT, and we're going to go through some installation tips for the steering extension on our 442575 kit. In this kit you will get a U-joint, a steering shaft extension, the pinch bolt for the U-joint, and the heim joint. And whenever we go to install this, you're going to install the heim joint to the bracket before you put it in the vehicle, and you're going to measure from the end of the bracket to the center of the ball socket 1 3/4 inches. Now that that's done, you're going to take the steering shaft extension, the U-joint. This pinch bolt notch has to line up 100% with the factory pinch bolt. And this is going to represent the rack and pinion. So whenever we put the U-joint onto the rack and pinion, we notice this notch, and put the bolt in place. And whenever we set our steering shaft extension, we're going to make sure that that pinch bolt notch and that notch line up 100%. Okay. Now we're going to set the height of the steering shaft extension. We're going to pull the steering shaft extension out until we see the second set of splines. We're going to lock down the steering shaft extension. We're going to lock down the pinch bolt. Now mind you, this is all attached to the rack and pinion in real life. Next up we're going to open our provided pack of anti-seize. We're going to lube the end of the steering shaft. The remaining amount of anti-seize we're going to input into the heim joint. And make sure to get it inside the new provided boot. Now that we have this fully lubed, we're going to install the steering shaft extension into the vehicle. Once installed in the vehicle, we're going to take the factory intermediate shaft, install to the rack and pinion mount. Once the steering shaft extension and U-joint are in the vehicle, we're going to wait till the end of the install of the kit to set the final torque. So one of the key features and benefits of this new system is the sealed boot. It'll keep all the dirt and grime out and allow that anti-seize to stay and keep the shaft lubricated. This is a pretty simple install. If you have any questions, give us a call.